Hey guys, welcome back to Ulan App. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Cash App savings not showing up. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So there's a few things that you can do here to probably fix this issue. So one of them is to make sure that your interconnection is pretty stable. So in this case, if your interconnection is pretty slow or if you do not have a pretty fast interconnection, this could actually interrupt some of the services that Cash App has. So in this case, you might want to switch over to a Wi-Fi connection, or if you have a mobile data, you could go and switch over to that. Now, in this case, if that doesn't work or if you have a pretty fast interconnection, well, the next thing you want to do here is you want to make sure that you have the latest version of the Cash App mobile app. In this case, you want to go ahead and open up Google Play Store here, search for Cash App, and if you do see an update button, go ahead and click on it and update the app. Now, if that doesn't work, the next thing you want to do here is you want to clear your cache. In this case, you want to go ahead and locate the Cash App here, press and hold on it, and you want to go to App Info. Now, under App Info, what we need to do is we need to click on the Clear Data at the bottom right here, click on Clear Cache, and click on OK. Once you've done that, go ahead and open up Cash App and see if that solves the issue. And if none of those actually works, well, the next thing that you want to do here is just basically work. Now, wait. So sometimes there are going to be some problems with Cash App server. So in this case, you might need to wait for a few minutes or a few hours for them to actually solve the issue themselves. So it means that you won't be able to temporarily use it for now, but you just wait for it and you should be good sometime or later on or in the following hours. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Ulan App. Thank you for watching.